welcome back to the Fabulous 95, and today we are going to be taking a unboxing of the 2020 brand new Mater on the Blue Desert. So let's get right into it. On the packaging you see Mater when he was brand new. Wow. Really great description, man. On the back you see the Radiator Springs series, I don't know your name, Sheriff, Doc, and Fillmore. The kind folks in Radiator Springs become Lightning McQueen's friends for life. And you see the picture of White right after everybody thought he drove away, and this is right before he gets his wet wall tires. So, let's get this guy unboxed. Let's get into the review of this guy. Now, this is one of my favorite diecasts, and I didn't get it until recently because when I was younger, I just never really wanted it, which makes no sense compared to where I am now. But his nice blue-greenish scheme, it's just a nice Towing Mater Towing and Salvage Radiator Springs. On the back, A113 for the license plate. Just look, everything looks brand new on him, and it's just amazing. But now here comes the comparison from brand new Mater to normal Mater. And you look at the front, you immediately can see that he has two headlights and a hood. And also, this little thing on the, that's great, this little thing on the, rear view mirrors. Now on the side, not much has changed, besides the fact that these back wheel colors are different, I guess. But if you look, you see where the original paint was and where it is. Also the tow cable colors too. Also on the top, one of his lights are out while all four of them are still intact. On the back, you see, oh wow, that's actually a lot different. Okay, so on the back you see, yes, he's got both of those still. But the main thing is the top. He's got the two lights here and the two right here, plus this. He's got one here, and then none right there, which is pretty impeccable. The bottom, nothing really has changed. Well, the Thailand version has really changed, I guess. On the other side, again, just saying the wheel. Actually, I think that wheel stayed more to the color of it originally being. But this little thing at the top of the... yeah, that's basically it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you have not already, because we are super close to 700. I don't think it's going to happen by the end of this year, but hopefully before the end of January, we can hit 700. Also, the new Smash Bros. Saga is out. I don't know if some of you watched it, but it's going to be showcasing a few new things. Not really from the Cars, era. Yes, it's from Cars, but it's not really from Mattel. It's going to be showcasing the brand new Lionel Lightning McQueen diesel engine in it, which, honestly, I don't know what else I can say, but besides, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.